So for today's video, iba na naman ang gagawin natin. At di ba yung sinabi ko sa other video ko ay mag-show grades ako. So gagawin natin yan ngayon. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.
A few moments later.
And what I'm about to say, like, nakuha ko na yung mga test papers. I will show you my grades. Isa lang yung quiz ko nahanap kasi ito ay ito pa lang. Yeah. So, dalawang quiz yung naano ko kasi yung iba walang score. So, at first things first. Let's go. So, first thing first. Madumi na siya, guys. Kasi, first thing first, na 12 lang ako nito. Kasi, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yup, 12 lang. Perfect ako dito. So, that's perfect. May dalawa akong mali. So, yup. This is my math. 16 out of 30 lang ako nito, kaya at least passing ko. So, yan. Mga short video lang to, guys. Yan. 1 at 6. Don't worry kasi hindi ako naglagay niyan. Yung classmate ko. Yung exam ko. 20. This is education center. This is EPP. I am 23. This is my English. It is 19. Sorry about that. Kores. Next up, it is Araling Panlipunan. First time naka-move sa 9 by 19 din. Yup. There. Nasama ko. Ayan. So, yung science ko, 13 lang ako. Sorry, Daddy. And, to my MAPE, it's just 50. That's the 1, that's the 5. Last na rin. Oh my God. 12. May Filipinos 12. Sorry, Daddy. Last? No, this is not last. 16. It's my... ESP. Yes, it is ESP. 16. That's the 1. That's the 6. Passing score. Last but not least, my math. So, you may see na 16 ako dito. 16. Yep. 16. dito 27. As you may see, ayun no, 2, 7 at 3, 0. But first, next week or just say Domingo, maybe Sunday, magvi-video ako with Study With Me. Okay. And for Lunes, for Monday, I think I will video with my friends. So stay tuned, guys. Bye.